Hello everyone, my name is Kylee McMillen, and today I am going to be talking about the different types of bear species. There are 8 types of bear species. First is a brown bear. Brown bears range in color from black to various shades of brown, and even sometimes blonde. Their sizes can vary based on where they're located and how much food is available to them. In North America, the brown bear is often referred to as a grizzly bear. Brown bears have a lifespan of 23 to 25 years and are currently not endangered. They're described to be nocturnal, however, they are the most active in the morning and early evenings. The brown bear is one of the most omnivorous animals in the world and consumes the greatest variety of food of all the bear species. Next, we have the polar bear. Polar bears are the largest bears in the world. Its species has adapted to an ecological niche, with many of its body's characteristics adapting to the cold temperatures for their travel across ice, snow, and open frozen water. A polar bear's main diet consists of seals, and they'll spend most of their days hunting them. Scientists estimate the polar bear population to be around 22,000 or 30,000. Because of this, they're currently listed as a vulnerable species. Then we have the North American black bear. Although black bear is in their name, the North American black bear can be black, brown, and even white. Although the white is extremely rare, with sightings happening only in British Columbia, Canada. These bears are omnivorous, with their diet mostly consisting of vegetables. The North American black bear typically lives to be 25 years old. Then there's the Asiatic bear. Asiatic bears have long black fur with a distinct white patch on their chest. They have longer fur around their face and throat and noticeably large ears. They are more carnivorous than most American bears, however, only a small portion of their diet comes from meat. This meat could include birds, fish, and carcasses. Mostly, they'll eat grasses, fruits, insects, and honey. In northern climates, these bears will hibernate. However, in southern climates, they do not. Then there's the panda bear. The giant panda is rare, endangered, and elusive. Scientists used to believe that the panda was a member of the raccoon family, but DNA proved otherwise. Panda bears are known for their poor diet, which consists mostly of bamboo. Bamboo is nutritionally poor, so panda bears need to eat a large amount of it each day. Habitat loss is the reason for the panda's decline, and today they're restricted to only a few mountain ranges. Pandas can be active day or night, and they do not hibernate. Then there's the Andean bear. Andean bears are endangered, vulnerable, and it is illegal to kill them. They are the last remaining short-faced bear and the only surviving species of bear native to South America. The Andean bear is normally black in color, with a distinctive beige-colored marking across its face and its chest. Sloth bears have shaggy hair with white markings on their chest. They have hook-like claws to help them climb trees, where they dig for termites to eat. They do not suffer from seasonal fluctuations, as they can eat termites and ants all year round. Therefore, they do not hibernate during the winter. Lastly, there's the sun bear. Sun bears are the smallest bear species around. They have short dark hair and water-repellent fur, with yellow crescent markings on their chest. Even though they are the smallest bear species, they have the largest teeth. These teeth help them with tearing meat, even though they're not particularly carnivorous, as they too live off of termites. They use their teeth as weapons and/or to tear up trees for food. Next, we have the locations of bear species. The brown bear is found in the United States, mostly in Alaska, Washington, Montana, and Wyoming. It can also be found in Western Canada and parts of Europe and Asia. Currently, there's a large population of brown bears in Russia. The polar bear lives in countries that ring the Arctic Circle, so that would be Canada, Russia, the US, Greenland, and Norway. The North American black bear is actually a bear that can be found around our own homes, as it's found all throughout North America and Canada. The Asiatic bear is found around Eastern Asia, so this would include Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Cambodia, China, India, Japan, Malaysia, and more. As I noted earlier, the panda bear has been isolated to 6 separate mountain ranges in China, and those are the only places that you will find them other than a zoo. The Andean bear is in South America, so you could find one in western Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Argentina, or Bolivia. The sloth bear can be found in Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal, India, and Bangladesh. And the sun bear, the smallest bear of them all, is found around Southeast Asia, so you can find them in Cambodia, China, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. Here we have a chart that shows the average size of these bears. So a brown bear, you can see a male would weigh about 800 pounds and a female on average weighs about 600. For polar bears, like I stated before, they are the largest bear species. So a male average weight would be about 1,760 pounds, where the female is nowhere close to that, but they are still up there with 660 pounds. North American black bear, the difference between a male and a female is a little astounding. A male North American black bear will be around 600 pounds, whereas the female is only 130. But this would really vary based on where they're located and how much food is available to them. Asiatic black bears, a male will only be about 298 pounds, whereas a female will be around 200. Panda bears, normally they weigh about the same, male or female, and that has to do with their diet of only bamboo, so they are eating the same things all the time. Andean bears, so you have a male that would be about 330, which is more than double a female with about 129 pounds. Then you have sloth bears, where the male is 310, and on average a female is about 200. And then the sun bear, which is the smallest bear out of the entire species. And so a male bear would only be about 100 pounds, whereas a female is about 85. So with this chart, you're able to see sort of the decline and the average weight of each bear species. That is all I have for you today about the different bear species, but thank you for listening and thank you for your time.